Not only has the pandemic caused increased curbside debris from more people staying at home,
That has created an extremely high volume of limbs, leaves, cleaning out the basement, and other trash and debris.
but the crews charged with removing it are feeling the COVID crunch too. Santec handles Hoover's waste management services and tells the city the coronavirus is keeping a fifth of its staff at home.
It's been the crews on the street, but it's also been the management infrastructure that supports them. So they are really working hard and struggling to try to maintain core garbage collection and recycling services.
That's why Hoover City Administrator Alan Rice says they sent this warning to residents this week. It claims COVID-19 impacts could lead to bulk pickup delays. Santec has even recruited Grace Tree Service to use its trucks to pitch in. So you might want to hold off on hauling that beat up blue couch to the curb, because based on Santec's COVID depleted crews, you and your neighbors might be staring at it for weeks.
We don't want people to go to all the trouble of getting the refuse or the large items out to the street and then wondering why they're not going anywhere, when simply it's just a shortage of manpower.
So Rice says if residents could wait until after the holidays to create their curbside piles, their patience will pay off for everyone involved. John Papke, WVTN 13.